welcome back to Sunday Live Chat. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on the river from the 18th to the 22nd of July 2022 on Monday. And let's start to reconsider the structure of his marriage while Morena is left heartbroken by his new flame. The bond between Beauty and the new man in her life start to grow on Tuesday. Morena realizes that he still has a lot to learn. Beauty is intimated for the first time in a while, and Andile makes a bold move on Wednesday. Njabulo and Andile's rough patch continues, and Morena has a lot to celebrate on Thursday. Andile and Njabulo struggles with the new terms of engagement in their marriage, while Morena is backed into a corner and Bukosi has a new thorn in his side on Friday. Beauty gets a little too comfortable in the Hlophe house. Andile and Njabulo have to learn to live with their choices, and Morena crosses the Rubicon. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion.